Here's a drill to consolidate some of the most important steps when it comes to alignment and balancing with your fingers in a two-arm handstand. This drill is perfect if you're working on getting rid of the ball or if you found yourself hitting a plateau in your freestanding to 2 to 3 seconds. Test the wall. First and foremost, you are going to align your shoulders over the center of the hands in such a way that your hands become heavy. That is the base layer of the cake you're gonna bake, the foundation without which you cannot have a handstand. From there, you're gonna open the shoulders, and this is gonna align your pelvis over the shoulders, going in the process from what we call a closed shoulder angle into an open shoulder angle, which is as close as possible to 180 degrees between your rib cage and your arm. From there, you can add some anterior pelvic tilt or arching of the lower back in order to make your feet even lighter. Every single step is designed just for that, to make your foot or feet lighter. Then you will extend one leg out and try to make the foot staying on the wall lighter and lighter. And you want all those steps to be as controlled as possible. Now, a few guidelines. You do not want to start thinking of your fingers until you have achieved the first 4 steps. Every single step is designed to make you lighter against the wall, and no step can come at the expense of what precedes it. You have a functional shape, either light against the wall or even off the wall. You're gonna press on your fingers, and this will move your body backwards so that the foot finds the wall again. You can then reset yourself and repeat. As your ping pong capacity gets better, you will be able to press just enough so that the foot doesn't find the wall and oscillate your way into what will become, in essence, a float from where you want to bail.